Don't let the 2025 RS Q8's understated design fool you. Beneath its subtle exterior lies the same powerhouse engineering as the high-performance Lamborghini Urus SUV. Built on the foundation of the standard Q8, the RS Q8 cranks up the intensity with a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, an 8-speed automatic transmission, and Quattro all-wheel drive. For 2025, the RS Q8 gets a refreshed look to match the updated Q8 and SQ8 models introduced last year. Audi has replaced the standard RS Q8 with a new 631 HP performance variant. This model not only delivers more power but also features upgrades such as a mechanical center differential, a specially tuned exhaust system, and a unique suspension with electric motors for enhanced cornering stability. The RS Q8 performances 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 generates 631 horsepower, significantly more than the SQ8's 500 horsepower. This powerhouse engine works with Quattro all-wheel drive, an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and a 48-volt mild hybrid system that subtly boosts fuel efficiency. The performance trim also includes an advanced active roll stabilization system, which uses electric motors to increase suspension stiffness during aggressive cornering. During testing, the RS Q8 accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds, just 0.1 seconds shy of the far pricier Lamborghini Urus. Inside, the RS Q8 maintains the spacious 5-seat cabin of the standard Q8, with a few sporty enhancements, special trim pieces, RS logos, and more aggressively bolstered front seats give the cabin a performance-focused vibe. Passenger and cargo space remain generous, offering ample room for adults in both rows. The 2025 Audi RS Q8 performance starts at $137,495.